paybacks. City animals. Who am I? I have soft fur. I have stripes. I have whiskers. They help me see in the dark. I can purr and meow. I am a cat. Who am I? I walk on all fours. My paws are padded for protection. I can wag my tail. I sometimes wear a collar and a leash. I can bark. I can growl. I am a dog. Who am I? I can walk, run, and gallop on my four legs. I have a mane. I have pointy ears. I am wearing a halter. I'm whinny. I snort. I am a horse. Who am I? I can perch on the edge of a building. I have feathers. Sometimes I like to stand on one leg. My beak is yellow, and my eyes are pink. I can coo. I am a pigeon. Who am I? I am small. I have a small head. I have small ears. I have a long tail. I do not bite people. I squeak. I squeal. I am a mouse. Who am I? I eat leaves, seeds, and nuts. But I like acorns the best. I have a bushy tail. I am terrific at climbing. I can even walk on power lines. I have big black eyes. I make lots of noises. Squeaks, barks, and grunts. I am a squirrel. The end.
If you don't have Vooks, what are you waiting for? It's a kid-safe, ad-free library full of storybooks that are brought to life. Ask your grown-up and start exploring more fun stories like these. Seriously, you have to check it out.
Thanks for watching. For more stories, try the Vooks app for free today.